Hello everyone, Jaime here. I want to do something very quickly today, which is formatting as a currency, a list of numbers. I've got this report, this list in front of me, very similar to the ones you may use at work, at home. And I've got my list of names with customers, or city, country, etc., invoice. And this column here, it should be money. This is the amount payable by these people, by these customers. Okay, so as you can see, I just have the numbers and I would like to have the currency symbol just to identify this is not a random number, is actually money. I got a couple of ways to do that. But in any way, the first thing I need to do is select. Whatever I want to apply my format to, it needs to be selected beforehand. So I may want to select just a few and then leave the rest as they are. I can do that. Let me do that. So the first way to do is I've got my tab home up here. Should I put my red laser on? Tab home here, and there's a button in the middle. This one here is kind of a note and a few coins in it. I think I can see it right. So if I open that, there's a little arrow next to it. I can select which currency from the main ones. And if I open the last option, I can select some others. So let's go with the pound, British pound. And there you go. Magically, the ones I selected previously are the only ones affected by my new selection, by my new format I just applied. As you can see, I can see the comma for the thousands, and I still see two decimals for all the figures, and I've got the pound symbol at the beginning of it. As you can see, there's a lot of kind of distance between the symbol and the number. And if you ask me, I personally don't really like that. So I'm going to do is undo that. As you can see, all comes to where it was at the beginning. And I'm going to show you a second way to do the same, to apply a currency format. So I select a few and then right click with my mouse and I find format cells. There's this popping up window coming in. Don't worry about the tabs. If you don't touch anything by default, it will come under number tab. And then there's a list of various things. Don't worry about that and go just straight to currency. If I don't touch anything, by default, it will come as two decimal places and with a comma for the thousands separator. Click OK. I'm not touching anything else for now. I can, but not for this exercise. And there you go. All of my selection, only the ones I have selected previously, they've got this new format now. So I can see there's a comma for the thousands, and I can see the pound symbol now is right next to the number, which I personally prefer. You got those two options anyway. Now, this was only affecting the ones I selected. Maybe, oh, I forgot, maybe these three, I wanted them as well. So I can go to this button again with the notes and the coins, or I can go right click, format cell and do the same again. Or something very cool, if I select one of the ones I already have in the format I want, I can find this button here, which is like a brush, painting brush, and it says Format Painter. If I click in here, it's kind of a copy and paste of the format. So right now I copied the format of that cell and I can paste it wherever I like. I can click on another cell or I can click on a range of cells, for example, like that. So I'm not releasing my mouse until here, for example. Release, magic. So this format here is now copied to other selection. That's cool. Anyway, I've got As I said, this is only an example list. I've got 22 values. Maybe your list is really big, really large. You've got hundreds or maybe thousands of entries. You may want to do it all in one click. So I select the whole column, just clicking on the letter, clicking on the header of the column, and that automatically means I'm selecting the whole column until the very end. Whatever, it doesn't matter how long your spreadsheet is, all selected by that. And then I am ready to go to format cells, currency, and make my changes. Okay, there you go, all done. Happy? I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you.